Good morning to everybody. Everyone, good morning. Especialmente los que ya se nos agregaron. Hi, Santiago, ¿cómo está? Ok, estamos listos para el repaso de hoy, chicos. Según su agenda de actividades, ahí están las páginas que vamos a repasar. Para los que quizás no estaba muy claro, vamos a repasar rapidito algunos ejercicios, algunas reglas con los adjetivos para el adjective order, el orden de adjetivos. Vamos a ver un poquito de las historias y vocabulario que vimos de los Guinness Records, de crafts, ¿verdad? En las unidades que vimos. Pues todo eso es lo que vamos a tener en esta evaluación. ¿Ok? Así que no se preocupe. Si queda alguna duda después del repaso, usted me escribe. ¿Ok? Okay, how many are we already? We are 15. Maybe we can give one more minute. 16 by now. One minute. Tenga su librito cerca por cualquier cosa que usted quiera revisar o quiera tal vez chequear. Si necesito un cuadernito para anotar algunas cositas, right? Tenga todo a la mano. Y listos y preparados para la clase. Ok, I'm going to need your participation. Vamos a participar también, así que en ese momento se va a terminar de despertar si no ha despertado todavía. Okay, I think it's time because we are already 16, but we can begin the class with our 16 students, and meanwhile the rest are going to add up during the presentation. Okay, I'm turning off your microphone. And here we are. Let's share the screen. Let's see. Okay, here we are. Here we are. Okay, help me. As always, we are going to check that we are able to see the presentation. So write yes if you can see it. Okay, I need to know if you can see the presentation. Can you see the presentation, babies? Okay, Gerardo says yes, Fabiola, yes, Mia, yes, Marianne, yes. Excellent. Okay, that means that we are ready. Thank you, Danielle. Okay, we can see the present. Thank you, Marita. Okay, here we are. We are, sorry, we are with our review from units 6 and 7, okay, from EFL. And we are ready to see some exercises, vocabulary, and remember that if you have questions, okay, you can write them down on the chat, right? So we can help you. So let's begin. The first topic is adjective order. And this is something that is going to help you to identify the correct order of the adjectives. You really have to pay attention to this because this is going to help you. The order of the adjectives depends on this category, fact adjectives, okay? And this is the order that we must follow. Number one, the first adjective that must appear in our sentence is the one that describes size. For example, little. Little, big, short, long, okay? The size. The second adjective that must appear in your sentence is the age. How old it is. Old, new, young, okay? So the age is the second adjective that must appear in your sentence. Number three, we are going to continue with the shape. Remember that this is the order, okay? I'm not just mentioning it. No solo lo estoy mencionando. Este es el orden. This is the order. Number 3, the adjective that must follow in the sentence is the shape. Okay, what shape? It could be square, circle, okay, the shape. Regular, irregular. The next adjective that we must work with through the sentence is the color. We cannot put the color at the beginning. Remember, this is the order. The first one is the size, then the H, followed by shape, and number 4 is color. I chose as an example red. I chose as an example red. Number 5, the next description is material. Okay, what kind of material are we talking about in our sentence? Here the example is brick, ladrillo. Okay, this is the material, brick. We are, Santiago, on page 59. Remember that this is a review. These are not the exercises from the book. The exercises from the book, we already did it. Ya hicimos los ejercicios de los libros. Este es un repaso. Aquí en el repaso yo le voy a dar más ejemplos, más ejercicios sencillos que podamos hacer. Le voy a dar información para que usted entienda mejor el tema, pero los ejercicios ya los hicimos, right? Este tema es de la página 59, pero eso ya está hecho. Aquí yo solo le estoy reforzando ese tema, okay? So what you have to do is pay attention. This is the topic from page 59. The next adjective that must appear in your sentence is purpose. Okay? For example, I said elementary. El siguiente es el propósito. And finally, we will have a noun. What is a noun? Nouns are names. Remember? The names, teacher, girl, table, school, car, boy, girl, baby. Okay, nouns are names. On page 59, we did some exercises where we had to put the adjectives in order, remember? So here, I'm giving you extra information how to put the adjectives in order. You just have to remember and follow this formula. Okay, I gave you as an example from size little, age old, shape, the example is square, color, the example is red, material, the example is brick, the purpose, the example is elementary, and then finally the noun. If we put this together, si unimos todo esto en un solo orden, following the order, if we put everything together, here we will have the result. This is my sentence with all the examples. It was little, old, square, red, brick, elementary school. So with the adjectives that we have over here, we are describing the school, but they are following a specific order. First, the size, the school was little. Then the age, it was old. Then the shape, square. The color, it was red. The school was red. The material, brick, right? The purpose, elementary. And finally, the name that it was the school. Okay, so we are describing our school using the adjectives with a specific order. Don't forget that, right? Don't forget that on page 59, we follow an order. And we must always follow an order. We cannot say red little old or square little old because we must follow an order and the size must be first. So it has to say little old square. or little, old, square, red, because red is number 4. It cannot be at the beginning. Remember this, because this is going to help you when you decide which sentence is correct, following a specific adjective order. Let me give you more examples and exercises about this. Let's see if we understood. Here we are. Time to write. These are examples of exercises that we did on page 59. Page 59. Let's see. Here you can help me. Let me see. We have the computer. Which one do you think is correct following the order of adjective that we just learned? Big blue computer or blue big computer? Okay, Fabiola, excellent. He already knows. Okay, very good, Fabiola. Cristiano, perfect. We must follow the order that we just saw. Adriana, very good, Adriana. Big blue computer or blue big computer? Mia, okay, Herson, Marianne. Okay, let's see if that is the correct answer. Very good job. Excellent, babies. Very good, Santiago. Excellent, Marianne and Mia. Herson, too. It has to be big blue computer. Remember that we saw that the size goes first. The color is number 4, right? So it cannot be at the beginning. Big blue computer. Okay, let's see number 2. I'm showing you a beautiful microphone. Here we have the microphone. Which order of adjectives is correct? The small red microphone or red small microphone? Which one do you think is correct? A or B? Very good, Santiago. Thank you for your answer. Excellent, Adriana. Good, Marianne. Fabiola. Very good, Cristiano. Maldonado, Carlitos, Mia. Very good. Excellent. A or B? Excellent, Herson. Let's see. Very good job. Letter A. A small red microphone. Remember the order of our facts adjective. First is the size, and number 4 is the color, so the color cannot be at the beginning. Very good job. Let's see number 3. Here we have a beautiful car. It is really, really beautiful, right? And we are going to choose between A and B. Fast old car or old fast car? Think about it. Here we have some answers. Some of you said A and others say B. We don't know. We have to really think about it. Fast old car or old fast car? Okay, let's see who's right. Excellent for those who said B. Very good job. Remember, the H is number 2. La edad, remember, old. H is number 2. Fast is a purpose, right? It is fast. So the H goes first. The H was old. In the order of adjectives, the H is number 2. So it goes first. Old, fast car. Let's see another one. Here we have a keyboard with one of my favorite colors that is yellow. So we have a really nice keyboard. Let's see which one do you think it's correct. Very good. So we have Santiago, Mario, Marianne, Mia, Carlitos, Daniel. Okay, everybody has an opinion. Excellent. Very good job. So it's A or B. Very good, Ari. Excellent. Vamos a ver quién tiene la razón. We have some A's and some B's. So let's see. cool yellow keyboard or yellow cool keyboard? Do you remember the color? What number was the color? Was the color number 1 or number 2? Number 3? Number 4? What number in the order that we just learned was the color? That is how you have to analyze and think the answer. What number is the color? So let's have a look. Excellent if you said yes. If you said A. Excellent if you said A. Very good job. Because the color is number 4 in the category that we saw. So it cannot be at the beginning, right? It is a cool yellow keyboard, not a yellow cool keyboard, okay? Always remember that. Finally, we have, wow, this super, super modern and amazing motorbike. Very good. We already have the answer from Mia, Santiago, Danielle, Fabiola, and they all agree in the letter. Very good, Herson and Danielita Marin. Blue new motorbike. Very good. Excellent. Or new blue motorbike. Excellent. Everybody said B. Los felicito a todos. Good job. It was letter B. New blue motorbike. Remember that the H, la edad, the H goes first. And the H is new. Color is number 4. So it goes after the H. So new blue motorbike. Excellent. So these are the results. The computer, we have a big blue computer. The microphone, we have a small red microphone. The car, we have an old, fast car. The keyboard, cool yellow keyboard. And finally, our motorbike, new blue motorbike. Excellent, okay? The order of adjectives is done. And I think we all understood. Okay, let's move on. Then we have also to remember some parts from the Light Up the World. Remember, and the Lighthouse Keeper story too. That is India. And we also remember that we talk about the Guinness records, right? So let's see. I need someone that can read the name of this beautiful animal that we have over here. Here it says the name, but I need someone to read it. Excellent, Santiago. Okay, read for me the name of this beautiful animal that we have over here.
Water buffalo.
Excellent, Santiago. Very good job. Water buffalo. Very good. And the water buffalo, we mentioned it and we read about it in the story about India. Remember? This animal was very useful. Then we have here the other picture also of some people working. Let me see, Carlitos. Can you, Carlitos, where are you? Here you are. Can you help me, Carlitos, reading? The people working over here, where are they working?
Paddy fields.
Excellent, Carlitos. Very good job. Very good. Paddy fields. Remember that in India, they work on the paddy fields, right? Harvesting their food. So we have the water buffalo, the paddy fields, and we also have this beautiful girl over here that is showing us her clothes. Let me see who can help me reading the name of this beautiful dress that she's wearing. What's the name of it? Let me see. Santiago, you want to participate again. The name of this beautiful clothes, Santiago.
Sorry.
Excellent, Santiago. Very good. It is the sari. Remember the dress worn in India by the ladies? It is called sari. Mario, can you help me, Marito, with this picture over here? What is this? The one here where they take out water. Let's see, Marito. Can you read it? What is the name of this wonderful uh, thing that they use?
Well,
Excellent, Marito. Very good job. It is a well. The well is used to take out some water from down the earth, okay? From under the earth. So finally, we have, remember, our beautiful Guinness World Records. In this book, we can find all the records of several categories: animals, people, places, things. Okay, if we want to know the biggest pupusa in the world, the biggest pizza, the tallest tree. Okay, if you want to know any information about some records around the world, we have our Guinness World Records book. Remember that this book was named after Sir Hugh Beaver because me remember the story that Sir Hugh wanted to know um, he wanted to know about one of the greatest records, but they didn't have that information with his friends, remember? So they decided to look for themselves for some world records and write down a book. Let me just read again the paragraph about the story of the Guinness record. So pay attention because this information is very important. Remember, we are on page 60 and 61 right now. Okay, but the story of the world records says, one day, Sir Hugh Beaver, director of the Guinness Brewery, was talking to some friends. Remember that I told you they were talking as a group. They didn't know the name of the fastest bird in Europe. They wanted to know the name of the fastest bird in Europe. They looked in books, but they couldn't find the answer. That's why Sir Hugh decided to publish a book about records with the help of some friends. They named it after Sir Hugh's company. It became the most famous book of records in the world. Okay, this was just to remember how or who um, wrote the Guinness World Records book. Remember that it was named after Sir Hugh Beaver. Okay, let's continue. Here we are. Unit 7, our history vocabulary. We arrived to crafts. Okay, craft. Now I'm going to need your help again. We need to write the proper names of these objects from Unit 7. I am sure you already know the names and you are going to help me to write them down. Okay, so let me see. Who can help me? Raise your hand. I'm going to open your microphone. Who can help me with the name of this first object? What is the name of this first object? Raise your hand. I'm going to open your microphone and you can help me. Do you remember the name? I want this on the microphone, not on the chat. We are going to do it through the microphone. So let me choose someone that can help me with the first one. What's the name of the first object over here? Do you know? Do I have volunteers? Someone that wants to help me? Let me see, Marito. Do you know the first one? Let me help you with the microphone. Do you know the name of the first one? It is on page 64, right? Unit 7, our history, and these are some crafts. Can you help me, Marito? Do you know the name of the first one? What is this? Do you know? Does someone know that can help me?
Pot.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Very good, Marito. Okay. Not this one, but this one. Thank you, Marito. He knows this other picture. The ones over here are called pots. Let's write it down over here. Pot. Very good. But we need the name of number one. I'm going to help you with number one because maybe we don't remember. Okay, but number one is, the name is necklace, right? Number one is necklace. This over here, these beautiful pictures, this is a pot. They are pots. Who can help me with the lady here? What is she doing? What is this called at the end? Let me see who can help me with this one. Do we have volunteers? Excellent, Marianne. Can you help me, Marianne?
Sculptor.
Perfect. Very good, Marianne. Excellent. Good job. Sculpture. Let's write it down. That way you're going to remember easier. Okay, sculpture. Here we are. A sculpture. Very good. Now, help me with the name of these other objects where we have mom and dad and a beautiful here of our house. Let me see. Mia wants to participate. Okay, let me see. Mia, I'm going to turn on your microphone. Yes, Mia.
Picture.
Very good job, Mia. Excellent. Well done. What we have over here, the names are pictures. Excellent. Well done. Next one. What are these two beautiful purple and square red cloth name? Do you know? What are their names, Danielita Marine? Can you help me? What are their names?
Blanket.
Excellent, Daniela. Very good job. These are blankets. Excellent. Well done. We have blankets. Okay, I'm going to help you with this one. Okay, I'm going to help you with the other one. These are baskets. And we have the last one over here. Everybody loves this kind of objects. Who can help me? Let me see with the last one, the name of the last one. What are the name of these beautiful here objects? Let me see. Okay, Santiago, you know the answer. Help me, Santiago. Yes, Santiago?
Hammock.
Very good job, Santiago. Hammocks. Let's see, hammock. Very good job. Okay, this was our vocabulary from Unit 7. Let me just erase it. Here we go. Let me just erase it so we can continue. Okay, excellent. Now, let's see the next one. Okay, let's just remember our expressions, right? Repeat after me in your house, okay? Remember your expression. You're kidding. Let's repeat. Awesome. Let's repeat. That's amazing. Let's repeat. Very good job. You are joking. That's fantastic. Let's repeat. That's fantastic. Very good. Incredible. Incredible. Okay, excellent. Those were our expressions that we must put into practice, okay? Let's continue. Let's remember now the rest of the vocabulary from Unit 7. Who are they? Do you remember who are they? Can you help me? Who are they? This time through the chat. This time we can do it through the chat. Let's see what's the name of our first gentleman over here. Very good, Mia. Excellent job. Very good. Let's write down the name. Our first participant is a painter. Excellent. We have our painter over here. Then we have the boy. He's working on this beautiful dolphin. So who is he? What is he doing? What's the name of this boy that is creating such a beautiful object? Excellent, Adi. Good job. You got it. Very good, Danielle, as well. Okay. His name is the sculptor. Very good. Excellent. A sculptor. The sculptor. Excellent. Now let's see over here. Who is he? Number 3. Who is he? Excellent, Mia. Very good job. Who is he? He is a jeweler. Very good job. So he is a jeweler. And the last one. Let me see. Excellent, Marianne. Well done. This beautiful girl over here. Let me write it. Let me see if we can write it here at the top. She is a, very good, Santiago and Fabiola. Excellent. She is a weaver. Okay, now we just remembered, right? Our professionals in the art: painter, jeweler, sculptor, and weaver. Let's erase it. Here we are. Okay, and we have one more to see. We're missing one more. Here she is. Who's this lady over here? Who can tell me and help me with the last one? Excellent, Santiago. You have it cleared. Very good job. Excellent. Okay, let's see. Very good, Danielita Marin and Mia. She is a potter, right? Very good job. Now to finish, let's write just 2 or 3 sentences. A sentence with a potter. My mom is a wonderful potter. Okay, here we have one sentence with potter. Who can write for me a sentence with painter? Very good, Santiago. My mom is a potter. With painter, let's write down a sentence with painter. Help me with a sentence with painter. Send me on the chat a sentence with painter. We are using painter. Excellent, Santiago. Very good. I am a painter. Wonderful. Now let's see a sculptor. Help me with a sculptor. A sentence using a sculptor. We are putting into practice our vocabulary. So give me a sentence with a sculptor. Excellent, Santiago. John is a sculptor. Who else can send me a sentence with a sculptor? We have John is a sculptor. Another one. Let's see who else can send me a sentence with sculptor. My sister, says Carlos, is a sculptor. Very good. Okay, let's take Carlitos this time. My sister is a sculptor. Excellent. Let's see, with weaver. How about that? The last one, with weaver. Weaver. Maria is a weaver. Very good. Maria is a weaver. And finally, a sentence, but writing down what is she doing. What is she doing? For example, with painter. What is he doing? He is a painter, but what is he doing? What is he doing? He is painting. Excellent, Carlito. So let's write down a sentence. The teacher is painting, is painting a beautiful picture. How about that? Okay, the teacher is painting. Very good. What is the weaver doing? Who can help me with that one? What is the weaver doing? What is he doing? The weaver. What is he doing? What is the weaver doing? Let me see. She is, what is she doing? The weaver. Very good, Santiago. Excellent, Marianne. Very good. She is weaving a blanket. Remember, she is a weaver, but she is weaving. Okay, that's it. Very good job. Okay, we already practiced with the vocabulary and the sentences. So excellent. Well done, baby. Good job. Very good. Okay, let's erase everything. Excellent job. Okay, we practiced with all the information that we already know. So it was a great review. Fantastic participation as always. Excellent work, babies. Thank you very much for your time. Let's stop sharing. Here we are again. Okay, let me turn on your microphone so we can say bye. Okay, here we are. Okay, sweeties, remember to study if you need to for extra information, and you can work on the evaluation. Okay, if you have any question or doubt, you write down to me on the chat. Okay, bye, sweeties. Bye, Mia.
Bye,
Nos vemos
Miss.
otro ratito. Adiós, mis corazones. Adiós. Bye, bye. Nos vemos otro rato. Bye, bye, bye. Bye, Mia preciosa. Bye, Carlitos. Bye, Fabiola Bella. Bye, sweetie. Bye, bye.
Bye, Miss.
Bye, Elías precioso. Bye, Santiago.
Miss.
Bye,
Bye,
María.
Miss.
Roblox en la siguiente clase me manda otros usuarios. Los voy a agregar en amigos.
Okay, bye, Christian.